Well, Barbadians are being encouraged to take advantage of budding opportunities in the creative industry. Minister of the Creative Economy and Culture John King says that there are exciting business prospects in non-traditional areas. He says with the support now available to sectors such as the film industry, these opportunities should not be wasted.
And if you don't grasp it and make the best use of it, you're going to dampen the opportunities of those persons coming behind you. So it's important that you take this as seriously as you can, because you're not only here for yourselves, but you're here opening some roads and pioneering for a younger set of people who might have the same aspirations as you do today.
And Minister King was speaking at the close and certificate presentation of the Business in Film course held at the Barbados Coalition of Service Industries on the Harbour Road. Now, course designer and lecturer Lorna Garner is hoping to have another session soon. She highlighted an area she thinks is key in pushing the local film industry to the next level.
What I really want to see more of, and I think that's where the future is, the writing of scripts. Because in the case of films and TV drama, it starts with a script. There's a lot of writers in Barbados who are very good. They write books, but I want to see them writing more film scripts, because with the film script, you then go on to shoot, bring in the actors, etc. So we want the producers, and there's a lot of future producers here, to get those scripts and make good films which we can sell.